Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change language in Claude AI. This is a useful setting if you prefer navigating the platform in your native language or want to make Claude more accessible for someone else. If you want to use Claude in a different language, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple. You only need to access the settings area from your account menu, and from there, you can choose the language that works best for you. I'll walk you through it slowly, so it's easy to follow along. You won't need to install anything or make changes to your browser's main language settings. To begin, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the sidebar icon there. If your sidebar is not already open, go ahead and click that icon to open it. On smaller screens, the sidebar may stay hidden until you manually select the menu icon. This step is important because the sidebar gives you access to the main navigation options, including your account and settings area. If the sidebar is already visible on your screen, you can simply move on to the next step. The exact appearance may vary slightly depending on whether you're using Claude on a computer, mobile browser, or app. Once the sidebar is open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner. There, you'll find your profile section. Click on your profile to open the account menu. Your profile section may display your name, profile picture, or account initials. This is where Claude keeps personal preferences and interface settings. So, if you ever need to adjust how the app looks or behaves, this is usually the place to start. You may also find other useful options here for managing your account and customizing your experience. After clicking your profile, look for the option labeled Language. Select it to open the list of available languages. If you don't see it immediately, check the Complete Profile menu or Settings area, as its position may differ slightly between versions. You should now see the language choices you can switch to. Click the language you want to use, and Claude will update the interface accordingly. Choose the language you're most comfortable reading so menus, buttons, and navigation options are easier to understand. Depending on the platform or app version you're using, the change may happen instantly, or it may take a brief moment to apply. You may notice the menu labels and other interface text updating as soon as you make your selection. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language in Claude AI. You can return to the same menu at any time if you want to switch back or try another available language. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately notice the update, give the interface a second to refresh. In some cases, closing and reopening the app or page can help display the new language properly. You can also refresh the browser tab and confirm that your internet connection is working normally. Also, if you're trying to make Claude easier to navigate for yourself or someone else, changing the language can be a great way to create a more comfortable experience. This can be especially helpful for beginners, multilingual users, or anyone learning how to use AI tools for the first time. So again, the process is simple. Open the sidebar from the top left if needed, click your profile in the bottom left, choose language, and then select the language you want. Once you've done that, you're all set.